Happy June 1st, y'all. Happy new month. Well, it's half a year. It is half a year. But I've been anticipating it because once I saw December 25th, when I saw May 25th touchdown, I'm like, yeah, we're almost at June. So I do have a lot of things to do before the year ends, all my, initial plans, and I'm gonna get it done. I do have time, and reminder for y'all, have time to just work on it and sort it out. You still got 6 months left before December 31st comes. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little errands today. I'm gonna get some coffee, so I may stop at Starbucks or just get coffee, gas station coffee. Then I need to check something on my car, and then I have brunch again today. Winter brunch, yeah. So I have brunch again today. So that is the vibe for today, new month. Let's go. So I found out the issue for my car tire. So I just basically need to get a new tire. So when I'm driving, I hear like a sound in some sort. So they said the tire is bent. So I need to get a new tire. So I'm gonna start that out in the week. I wasn't able to do it today because one, there was 10,000 people down at a tire warehouse, the one on Hattie Park Road. Everybody's doing something with their car today. I was shocked when I drove in. The parking lot was full. What is happening today, June 1st, y'all? Everybody's just resetting. Anyways, it's 12 o'clock almost, so I am gonna head home. I need to find out what I'm gonna wear for brunch, and I need to cook. I know I need to go to the supermarket to get some chicken, but based on the time right now, and I know I want to bake it, that's not gonna work. So I have saltfish at home. Hopefully I have beans, broad beans or red peas that I can do that, and I know I have green banana already cooked in the fridge, so I can have that because I need to eat before I leave. Even though it's a brunch, more than likely I'm not gonna eat. I'm just gonna drink. So it's like a brunch event party, really. So yeah, more than likely I'm not gonna purchase anything for food, just drinks. So yeah, I'm gonna need to cook. So I think that would make more sense. So we're gonna head out to find what we're gonna wear. I need to repolish my toes myself, so I'm just gonna wipe out these and repolish it as soon as I get home so I can dry properly. Then I figure out what I'm gonna wear. Let's go home.
School teaching, they're on the streets demonstrating in that so much war and famine.
So I've been home in the kitchen, almost finished cooking, and I have 2 outfits on the bed. So like I told y'all, it's like a brunch vibe, but I'm really feeling low key to just dress casual, but I'm gonna wear heels. Heels always elevate your look regardless of what you're wearing. So 2 outfits on the bed. So one of them is a jeans Fashion Nova, and another one is a top and a short, or I wear a long jeans with the type of top. Now I feel like I'm leaning more towards the jeans denim dress, but I'm gonna try on the other outfit. So let me show you guys on the bed. It's literally spread out on the bed, the 2 outfits, because I have no idea what I'm wearing. Also, your girl needs to wear makeup. I am feeling the makeup vibe. Outside is hot as AF, but I want to do makeup to bring off a look with my little ears, because we're not really dressing up. We're not feeling the vibe, and I actually just don't know what to wear. And it's 1:52, and I'm supposed to leave the house before 3 o'clock. So I know I'm not going to leave the house. I'm just going to text my friends and say the girl is running late as usual, and we'll push back the time because I need to eat, shower, makeup, clothes. So yeah. So this is the first outfit on the bed. So this top, my friend got it from me when she was overseas. This cute looking top. I'm really liking it. I'm really liking the pattern. It looks bigger, but it's supposed to fit that way. And I do have this long jeans that I possibly wear it with, or I have this white shorts, which I doubt I'm gonna wear because this is like a high waist type of shorts. But the shirt is definitely gonna go over it and not inside of it. And I have this bag or this bag. Then the denim dress, of course, which I showed you guys in the haul, and one of these glasses with one of these bags. Now the shoes is this NK heels. So it can wear with any one of them because whichever bag that I'm wearing with, it will work. So this is the vibe. I don't want to put the shoes on the bed because y'all know it's dirty. So yeah, that's the vibe I'm thinking about. So anyone can go with anyone. But like I said, the jeans vibe, I'm feeling the denim dress. So we're going to get ready right now and then I'll see what makes sense. Alright guys, we are all dressed and ready to go. I'm wearing I chose the denim dress. Instead, I didn't even try on the other outfits. I just said, I'm just gonna go with this. And I feel pretty good about it. When I get to the event, I will just show you guys a full fit. I don't drive in heels, so I'm not gonna put on my heels in the house and then have to go in the car and take it out. Just to show you guys a full fit. So when I reach at the location, so we only have lip gloss, perfume, and we're headed up. And yeah, we're gonna go.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that drive me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but
hey beautiful people, so welcome to a new vlog. So today is a Tuesday, so happy Tuesday to you. And we are dressed in I would call it a gym wear per se, because I am heading out to Emancipation Park to walk. Now let's talk about this. So your girl is 35 and yeah, I've been wanting to exercise. Usually I do at home exercises, but for some reason I'm at home. So I don't want to get up and do anything, which is super, super bad because at home exercise, at least you're at home. I don't have to go on the road and very cost effective. I don't have to spend anything. But what I realized when I'm home, I don't want to do anything. So the girl is going to walk, and I was inspired by vibes. So I'm just gonna tag her, tag her Instagram, her YouTube, because she has a YouTube channel as well. So she has been doing walks on the hit strip of Palisades, that's like near the airport road. And I'm like, you know what, I need to go and do this because I've been wanting to exercise for a while, and literally gym is not an option. Like I do see myself going to gym at one point in time, but like not right now. I don't know why. My thing is I don't want to lose weight. Like I can lose weight on my own because I've been watching what I've been eating for a while and I have definitely lost weight. I'm very skinny, literally. But the thing is, the reason why I want to, just get my body in motion, because I really don't do anything. I don't exercise, I drive, I don't walk, I don't do anything at all. And I really want to keep my bones intact because, girl, we're going to move up to the 40s, So I want to keep my body fit. And by doing that, I'm going to need some sort of exercise in my life. So we're going to be walking, no running or anything like that. I'm just going to be walking at Emancipation, me, myself, and I know that park is, that people, I know when I go there, I'll show you guys, and I know there's going to be a bunch of people there. That's what people do. That's what that park is for in the evening. Like people walk, they run, they exercise, and I haven't been there in years. So let's go on this first exercise journey together. I haven't figured out the schedule yet as to how many times I want to go there to walk. And I don't think I want to go there every night. I may change it up and go different places. But I think Emancipation Park is a bit safety for me, kind of a safety net based on location. And like I said, I know people go there often to do their thing. So let me show you the gym where I really need, if I'm gonna start doing this and going into a more healthy lifestyle with exercise, your girl is gonna need some fit. But just casual, this top, and I don't know if you guys can see me on these black leggings, and I'm just gonna wear my black sneakers, and I want to wear a hat because a hat just goes with the fit. Anyways, we're gonna head out right now. It's moving on to, I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna go. We're gonna go. Let's go exercise together. Guys, we are here on the track. Like, there's so many people here. But like I said, I'm only gonna do just 30 minutes of walking. So we're getting into it. Anyways, we have literally 2 minutes to go. I just checked the timer. So I set the timer for 30 minutes. Hold on, the music in my ears. So I set the timer for like 30 minutes. And my 30 minutes is almost up. So I'm doing the last lap. And then we're going to head to my yard. I'm tired, okay? The girl is tired. Also, I know the quality is looking bad. My phone fell again today and the camera is so off. The girl is gonna have to buy a phone like soon. Much feet? So guys, we are back home. Let me pick this camera. Yeah, we are back home. I think I did around 40 minutes of walking. It was pretty good, and there were a lot of people on the track. Like I told y'all, there's a lot of people there. First of all, I did not know that they had a water cooler. I saw someone stopped and drank from the cooler. I saw some people playing ping pong, and then I saw a group exercising like it was some fitness thing. I was gonna stop and ask them about it, but I didn't bother. But this was fun. So now, like I said, I need to schedule, figure out which days I'm gonna go out of the week. And I mean, I have a 9 to 5, which I finish early at 5 o'clock. Sometimes, well, I go beyond, the working hours at times, but I should be able to even do this at least Monday to Friday, or even 4 times outside the week, because I literally don't do anything else during the week other than try to figure out content and if I get invited out or stuff like that. But I'm gonna see how I feel tomorrow and then probably go again tomorrow. If not, tomorrow is Wednesday. I won't be able to go Thursdays. Thursdays is when I do my TikTok live. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok yet, please go ahead and do so. Follow me on both Instagram and TikTok. The girl is trying to grow over there, and every Thursdays, or most Thursdays, we go live over there and we talk about like different topics: relationship, friends, like traveling. Like, we do a wide range of topics. So if you guys don't have anything to do, Thursdays between 7 to 8 p.m. Central Time, please go ahead and tune into my TikTok. So since I'm not going to go Thursday, so I'm just going to go tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday and I shouldn't have anything to do. So we're going to go again tomorrow. I think that sounds pretty good. So I can do Mondays sometimes are a drought. So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That sounds like a good plan. Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna go tomorrow. So I bought some jerk chicken. I literally wanted salad, and I went to Popeyes. I went to 3 Popeyes location now. Nobody had salad, so I just stopped and get jerk chicken, which was the other option. Wendy's salad, I don't buy Wendy's salad. First of all, it's too expensive, and 2, they put so much things in it that I don't eat. not interested. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to Popeye salad. But KFC also sells salad. You can get it with a chicken, so I need to check them out one day. Passing the line at KFC not too long ago, that line was long. So I'm super glad I just purchased jerk chicken. Already was roll right this up. We're good to go. So I'm gonna eat, shower. I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat now, then shower. Then we're gonna Netflix and chill for the rest of the night. So that's what's happening on Tuesdays, y'all. I'm thinking about going tomorrow and I don't have no clothes to wear. So I'm just gonna wear a big t-shirt tomorrow with I do have like leggings. So leggings is not a problem, but like tops like these, which makes sense. The t-shirt, I'm just gonna be sweaty and but that's the only option I have. I do have no more like workout tops. So we need to work on getting those. Since we want to get into the whole exercising thing. So we're gonna need to figure out workout wardrobe stuff. By the way, I'm gonna tell you all again, the quality on my phone is terrible. My phone has dropped and mashed up several times, so I can't do anything about the quality right now. My phone can't even go to 0.5 anymore. I can't believe it. We're gonna work on getting the phone again.